Right, welcome back. Today I've got a Pickbeard Challange Lock. It's Pickbeard number 1. Just show you there. Key works. Wee bit sticky going anti-clockwise, but clockwise works perfectly fine. That's the bit in there. So a few highs, few lows. Put that down. Bring this over. I already have the circlip off, by the way. That's it sitting there. I've picked this on camera already, but by the time I got near the end, I actually ran out of storage on my phone, so it ran out. I didn't realise, continued with the vid, got to the end, and went to stop it and realised it already was, so this is effectively take 2, but it'll be the 3rd time that I've picked it, so there you go, full set already. In fact, you know what, I'll do that again just to prove that it's all locked for you. Yeah. It's about as best as I'll try and turn that. So I know that if I go to the back towards about pin 5 and super light tension, if I go to pin 5, I should get a bit of a turn on the core. There you go. And then if I work my way forward from there, feeling for that binding pin. There you go. I think it's either pin 1 or pin 2. Let me come forward. So it's pin 1. Pin 1, and I think I might have got it there. No. Work my way back. Start at the back. So I can pin 5 again. No. Bit of counter rotation there, and I lost my full set. Come back. I think it was a few touches on 3. No, touch 2, and back to my full set. So go towards the back, and I think that's pin 4, counter rotation, and there we go. Picked. So be careful taking that out because, as I said, I've already got the circlip off the back of it. I'll take us out of the vise. Because I put that there. I will key pins are at this side. So I'll hold it like. I'm careful and hold it like that. And then put my follower in behind. Without locking it up, I should be able to there we go. So set that there. Now bring up a wee bit closer. And zoom in a wee touch. So key pin 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then this is the core. And I've already checked this and last time I did the video, and there's no counter milling or serrations. It's just standard. And the key pins there are also all standards. So just bring this up. Do that. I'll get my tweezers. See if I can get some focus for you. So just work that back. So pin 1 is standard. Focus. Driver pin 1 standard. And number 2. Number 2 there, spool. I don't think that's a custom spool. I think it's a factory spool. Then number 3, standard. Number 4. Number 4 is another spool. And number 5. Number 5 is another spool. There we go, and then there's also no modifications there to the Bible. Set that there. Bring in for a close-up. So, let's see, sorry, one more second. Let's see if I can get that out of focus. There you go, so driver pins 2, 4 and 5 are spools and everything else is standard. Thanks very much for watching, and thanks Pickbeard for the challenge lock. Cheers.